Sticking Velcro sticker, on aluminum, and steel. Sticking Velcro sticker, on aluminum, and steel. Finding a glue that sticks Velcro stickers to metals is problematic. Absolutely nothing sticks metals to genuine Velcro. In the following tutorial is an illustration of how to stick Velcro to two different metals, aluminum and steel, using super glue and electrical tape. The video displaying is in the bird's eye view, that is looking from the top of the objects. These are the items required for the demonstration: a working board, a electrical insulating tape, a steel plate, a super glue, an aluminum tube, a piece of Velcro sticker, a piece of rag, an amount of thinner. To start with, we shall cut 3 pieces of the electrical insulating tape, made from PVC, and place them side by side on the working board as shown. An electrical tape with a broader width is however recommended. We shall place the strips of electrical tape aside, and apply the super glue to one of the surfaces of the aluminum tube, that has already been made rough as shown. We shall now place the part of the strips of electrical tape without adhesive, on the aluminum surface where we applied the glue. The part of the electrical tape with the adhesive will be facing us. We shall make sure the strips of electrical tape is well glued to the aluminum surface. We shall cut off the excess strips of electrical tape as shown. We shall remove the adhesive from the electrical tape, using the rag moist with thinner. It is very important to remove the adhesive since they react negatively with super glue. We shall now apply super glue to the surface of the electrical tape. We shall now paste the loop side of the Velcro tape onto the surface, making sure it is firmly fixed to the surface. Now, we shall repeat the above process, to fix the hook side of the Velcro to the steel plate. Applying super glue to the steel surface. Pasting the strips of electrical tapes on the steel surface. Cutting off the excess strips of electrical tape from the steel surface. Cleaning the adhesive on the electric tape. Applying super glue to the electric tape. Pasting the loop side of the Velcro to the electric tape. We shall leave the end product to dry for about 1 hour. We shall now test how the Velcro sticker sticks to aluminum and steel surfaces. Voila! Quite good adhesion. Thanks for watching this video.